As mentioned in the Scrum Guide, the product owner is responsible for all the customer interactions in a project. In fact, the product owner is the bridge between the customer, the customer's team, and the Scrum team. Let's understand what customer decisions are available for the product owner in the simulator. From the top navigation bar, select Sprint Execution. From the side navigation bar, select Decisions and then Customer Decisions. There are two sections in this particular screen. The left section is related to all the interactions with the end customer or the project sponsor. The right section is related to the interactions of the product owner with the customer's team or the customer's analysts. The analysts are the end users of the product that the Scrum team is working on. They are the people who have given the requirements which helped in the user story or product backlog item creation. Since Scrum is about being adaptable to change, it is recommended that the product owner keeps reviewing the user stories with the analysts so that any change in features are understood before the user story is taken up for development. The product owner also needs to ensure constant communication with the end customer or the project sponsor. To do that, the product owner has these three options, which can be selected by choosing the appropriate day of the week. As mentioned earlier, it is recommended that both of you, that is the Scrum Master and Product Owner, browse through these options available. This will help the Product Owner take appropriate customer decisions to ensure a successful project. All the best.